So what's the fastest way that we can do this? This is my fastest son. He's dang fast. So, I don't know, like, should we just... I was thinking of putting a towel on top of the stove.
Are we washing them out?
You washed the fridge last week, so I think we don't need to. So baking soda and water and a rag is one of my secret tips. It releases grime amazing. If you're scrubbing and you're like scrubbing and nothing's moving, you got to get a stronger tool, and that would be baking soda and water, or maybe a spatula. So that works fantastic. So here's a container we're going to use. I've harvested this off of a 3-shelf cart that I don't need this for. So I'm going to pop this in right here. This is going to have all my small ingredients, and then medicine right here, and then like chicken bouillon, things like that. And Ben, where are you going?
I'm coming back.
Okay, good. Whew, need him. He is my man. He's amazing. This was a container that I harvested off that one unit, and try that. Let's see. Oh, or maybe I'll put it inside this. Maybe this one. Let's see. So that makes it so I have. It's like having more containers, because we kind of lose everything in the back, and so this actually might work. I'm not 100% sure if this is gonna work. No, not gonna work. Okay, worth a shot. So here's a container for ketchup and condiments. So I'm gonna go get all the condiments. Ketchup, mustard, things like that. Sauerkraut. Oh, this is exciting. I've never had sauerkraut with my mustards, and I love sauerkraut with hot dogs. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, so here, this says jam. So I'm going to put the jams in here. These are all my weird medicines, like fish oil, all the things that everyone hates to eat. So I'm going to put these over here, where no one hardly gets into that side. And this is actually a really good tasting fish oil. It's Barlean's Omega Swirl. Gosh. Oh, here's my snack, a shake for me. Okay, let's see. Here's more cheese. I really like cheese. Maybe we'll try this. The feta doesn't fit. The cheese is not a good idea because things are too big. And I've got to have room for other stuff in this fridge. But I love, this is my favorite yogurt, Zoe honey flavored Greek yogurt. It's amazing. This is Crystal Meldrum with OrganizeYourJoy.com, and I hope you'll join me on the 5-day declutter spree.